Understanding Fine Motor Skills, a Guide to Mastery. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting and important topic in the realm of skill development: fine motor skills. These skills are crucial in our everyday lives, though we might not always realize it. So, let's explore what they are, why they're important, and how they affect our daily activities. Stay tuned to understand more about fine motor skills. Fine motor skills refer to the coordination of small muscles, usually in the hands and fingers, in conjunction with the eyes. These skills are essential for performing tasks that require precision and detail, such as writing, buttoning a shirt, or using scissors. Unlike gross motor skills, which involve larger movements like walking or jumping, fine motor skills focus on smaller, more intricate actions. Fine motor skills play a pivotal role in our daily life. They're essential for various basic tasks, from tying shoelaces to typing on a keyboard. For children, developing these skills is crucial for school readiness and academic success, particularly in activities like writing and drawing. In adults, fine motor skills are important for tasks like cooking, driving, and even using smartphones. Their development and maintenance are key for independence and quality of life. Developing fine motor skills involves various activities and exercises. For young children, this can include playing with building blocks, drawing, or doing crafts. For adults, keeping these skills sharp might involve activities like knitting, writing, or playing musical instruments. It's important to engage in tasks that challenge these skills to keep them refined and effective. Some individuals may face challenges in developing fine motor skills due to various reasons like health conditions or developmental delays. In such cases, occupational therapy can be immensely helpful. Therapists use specific exercises and activities to improve coordination and dexterity. Support and patience are key in helping individuals overcome these challenges. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding the concept of fine motor skills. These skills are an integral part of our lives, and developing them can significantly enhance our daily activities and independence. Remember, whether you're practicing to improve or helping someone else develop these skills, patience and consistent practice are your best tools. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.